Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome toned legs workout, all standing exercises. You're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. First up, we're gonna start with 5 big breaths, center ourselves, and get ready for this workout. All right, inhale as your arms come up. Exhale as they come down. Very good. Fill in those lungs. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Make it good. Fill those lungs. And release. Very good. Next, we have some high knees. All right. Knees come up to you. Nice flex foot. This is preparing your hips, your legs, even working out those lower abs for you a bit. Chin up. Very good. Using your core muscles to bring your legs up to you, not coming down to meet your legs. All right. Keeping that straight back. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Next, some hip openers. Love these. Knee comes up to the side in nice fluid motion. All right, continuous motion. Then switching to the other side, using your core muscles to balance. All right, nice tight tummy is gonna help you balance. All right, take your time. Engage those muscles. Very good. Breathing, warming up our body. Very good. Starting to loosen up. And 3, 2, 1. And release. Shake it out. Very good. That was our warm-up. Moving on to our workout. Alrighty, first up we have some sumo squats. So a nice wide stance. Your toes are pointed out a little bit. All right, and we're coming into a sumo squat. Your knees go out to the side. All right, they don't concave in. So if they are doing that, maybe come up a little bit. Don't go down so much. Making sure they go out to the side to protect those joints. All right, very good. Nice straight spine. Taking your time, coming down as you comfortably can. All right, if you want to challenge yourself, you can even hold that sumo squat the entire time. And if you want to challenge yourself even more, you can do some sumo pulses. All right, if not, go ahead, just do those regular squat. Very good. Tight tummy, tuck in that butt. And 3, 2, 1. Come up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. Next, we have leg raises 3 ways. All right, so one leg first, standing straight and strong. We're gonna lift front, come back to center, side, and then kick back. Very good. And repeat. Keeping a good form, good posture, squeezing those leg muscles as each one comes up. So the front, you're gonna feel it more in your quad. The side, you're gonna feel in your outer thigh. And then back below your butt and your butt. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Other side. Very good. If you need to hold on to a chair or a wall for balance or stability, go ahead. All right, I want you to feel nice and safe. And like everything else, balance takes time and practice. So you'll get there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. Remember, nice tight core is going to help you balance. And 3, 2, 1. And wiggle it out. Very good. Next, we have a step side lunge. I'm going to give you 2 options. All right, so our step side lunge, we stand together and we're stepping out to the side. All right, for that side lunge. And then the other way. All right. Very good. Only normal to come forward a little bit when you go in that step lunge, but make sure it's a nice straight back. All right, if this is not for you today, go ahead and keep a wide stance. So staying in that wide stance, and you can do stationary side lunges instead of stepping out and in and then out again. All right, you can just stay in one place and do that. All right, so whatever calls to you today, the step side lunge is a little bit more difficult. So if you can, go ahead and challenge yourself, all right? Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and center. Very good. Last but not least, we have a squat jump. Don't run away, I'm gonna give you modifications. So squat jump. We go into a squat, and then we're gonna jump up, and then landing back into that squat. All right, boom. All right, if this is not for you today I want you to do a squat extension. All right, so instead of jumping, you're gonna extend up. All right, extend up into a calf raise. Very good, and then coming back into that squat. Boom, boom. All right, and if that's not for you today, go ahead and just do your regular squats. And we have 3 sets, so if you want to try all 3 of them, you have the option of trying each one. All right, if you can, challenge yourself. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, my beautiful people. Set 1, very good. Going right into set 2. Big breath. Awesome. Starting with our sumo squat, wide stance. 30 seconds. You got this.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Legs together. 3-way leg raises. One side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Other side. Don't forget to breathe. Very good. Fill your lungs with breath. Tight tummy. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Step side lunge or stationary lunges. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Squat jump or squat extension or regular squats. Let's go. Almost there. You got this. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Extend. Wiggle it out. And celebrate. 2 sets done. Very good. 1 more to go. Big breath.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Legs together. 3-way leg raises. One side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Other side. Don't forget to breathe. Very good. Fill your lungs with breath. Tight tummy. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Step side lunge or stationary lunges. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Squat jump or squat extension or regular squats. Let's go. Almost there. You got this. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of that awesome workout. Now we're going to end it with a nice cool down. Stretch a little bit. Recenter ourselves. Very important. All right, starting with 5 big breaths. Inhale. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Exhale. Very good. Next we have a scissor stretch. All right, you're gonna bring one foot in front of you. They're both facing front. All right, hands on your hips, and then come down with a nice flat back as much as you comfortably can. Very good. Feel the benefit here. All right, if you want to go even deeper, you can go into a runner stretch. All right, bring the other leg back and down to a lunge. All right, you can put your knee down even here. All right, so 3 different options there for you. If not, go ahead, enjoy this scissor stretch. And 3, 2, 1, coming up. Very good. Other side. Push your shoulders away from your ears. Make sure you're not scrunched. Nice straight back. Tucked in tummy here as well. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, coming up. Very good. Next we have a hamstring stretch. All right, we're gonna bring that foot out in front of us, heel on the floor, toes up, and you're going to reach for those toes. All right, nice straight back as much as possible, so we're not curved like this. All right, bring it back. Very good. 10 more seconds. Enjoying the stretch, very good. Reach, reach, reach. And 3, 2, 1, up. Very good, and switch. Toe up, heel down, and reach. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1, coming up, reach up. And there we have it, my beautiful people. We had our warm up, 3 sets of a workout and a nice cool down, all for our legs. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. If you did like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Let us know where you're from, what videos you would like to see, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.